Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show how to solve. There was a problem with camera and some feature may not working right now. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to phone setting, scroll down, click on software update, update phone if available. Tap on hold camera, click on app info or I button, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete, press on power button, click on restart and restart phone normally. Go to camera, problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.